Nisi here, and today we are gonna make small sketchbooks. That is, I have named them my mini, and for that we require, of course, drawing paper. And I am using 130 GSM pages of Anupam sketchbook, and you can use the kind of drawing paper that you use most of the times as per the medium of the colors that you're using. And let's arrange them. Okay, and mostly you need to use scale to tear it off and give that texture at the end of the pages. And after that, what I am gonna do is you will have to observe and keep watching it. And guys, stay tuned. I'll talk to you after a few hours. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini sketchbook with me, and I want you to drop a comment if you liked it, and also to check out my description to check out the flood of art on my Instagram. Do check these videos out and subscribe to not miss any of my upcoming artworks. Until then guys, Hakuna Matata.